In this video, we will show you how to install our RiskVille plugin for Outlook. First, you need to install our plugin. Your super user will have the download link for you. Once you have downloaded the folder, you need to unzip the folder. Then open it and start the setup exe file by double-click. Then follow the pop-up windows and click Install. After the installation is complete, you should get a confirmation window pop up. The next step is to configure the Outlook plugin in RiskVille. First click on Settings, then System Settings, then Group Settings, then Email Settings. Here you will find the Outlook token you need at the bottom of the screen. Now you need to configure it in Outlook. Create a new email in Outlook. Then in the toolbar, the RiskVille plugin will appear. It will then appear with a prompt. On the configuration window, you select the region you belong to. In the token box, you paste in the Outlook token copied from RiskVille. After doing this, you are now ready to use the RiskVille Outlook plugin. Thank you for watching our video. If you have any proposals or questions, reach out to us by email or through our support chat.